What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today we're doing something that I never really wanted to do in my whole life, but my wife and her new car. Got themselves a slow leak. So, I don't know if you can, let me get up in here. Can you see it? Oh, I think you can. So we got screwy Louie. It's I think it's holding air a tiny bit, but it was down to like 6 psi this morning. I filled it up. I noticed it wasn't leaking at the moment, like aggressively, so I'm gonna attempt it. I don't know, I've never done this before. This probably is a shitty kit, but I'm gonna try to move the I want to take the tire off, so I'm probably gonna see if I can take the tire off and just do it in here, but we'll see. Otherwise I'm gonna do it on the ground like a schmuck. But let me see if I can take the tire off and we'll try to plug this tire. So we'll see how this goes. I was gonna try to cheap out, but I got safe jacks, and we've got 3 different types of attachments here. This one I believe is specific for the Dodge Charger, so I'm not using that. Here's a pinch weld attachment. It's gonna just go right on there, and then that's not gonna work either. But worst case, we could try that. I loosened the lug nuts. It had a little cover on it, so I had to take it off. I'm gonna jack the car up and, you know, see what we could do. Crazy. I don't know. Is it? It's better to go with that one or this one. We could try that one. Less issues. And let me turn the emergency brake on. I got it jacked. All right. Normally I would take this out. We're just gonna leave it in. We are fully on it. We're just gonna take the tire off and fix this. Let's go, baby. So I've never used one of these kits before. From what I understand, we're gonna get the screw out, do that, and then we're gonna take one of these bad boys. So I guess we're gonna coat that with rubber cement. It's gonna be fun. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't claim to know what I'm doing. Doesn't seem like it's that big of a... Oh boy. Oh boy. This bad boy's coming out. That's it? Okay. So I'm jamming this in. Jesus. I guess this wasn't that big of a hole. Just want to get in. Holy shit. Holy. That is a prom night vagina right there. Alright, know what the hell I'm doing here. But I'm going in. I got way too much cement on here. It's okay. Motherfucker blew all over me. Get in there, baby. Okay. Okay. I think that's good. It's all over me. Fucking all over me. And supposedly I'm just supposed to... Okay. I'm stuck to everything. It's gross. It's great. Awesome. So, this is messy. Excuse that. But I think it's going to be fine. I got quite a bit in there. I saturated that mother clucker with rubber cement. It's in there. And I took off as much of the excess as possible. It's pretty good. I'm just going to top the tire off with 35 PSI skis. And we're going to see if there's any air coming out. And if it holds pressure, I'm putting it back on the car. And a bada boom ski. We should be done ski. Lots of skis going on here. You know, little known fact, this is one of my favorite little things. Very cheap on Amazon. Hopefully while I'm editing this, hey, OCD, while you're editing this, link this down below, as sweat is pouring off of my disgusting caveman head and hitting the ground. Yeah, I shouldn't be stressed out to do stuff like this, but I get stressed out because, you know, I'm driving this car tomorrow, just me. So if there's any issues, I'm gonna know. It's a back tire. As soon as the tire pressure goes down, we'll know if there's any issues. But like I said, there's a good bit of rubber cement in there. I might take a little dollop toward the middle just to make sure. And yeah, we're gonna put this back on the car, tighten these lug nuts down to spec, and mission complete. Yeah. She's holding air, baby. She's holding air. I'm gonna drop this down. I'm gonna torque these tug nuts. I'm gonna torque these lug nuts down after I drop this down. Somebody's loud ass RX-7. I just poppity dopskis. That's it, guys. It's all done. I just gotta throw the cap on and go for a little drive. Just a closer inspection of what came out. It's kind of concerning. I don't know how that would have got in there. I have a feeling that there's a tiny bit of screw, or a lot of bit of screw, somehow in her tire that sheared off. But this isn't a professional tire change shop. I'm not a pit crew. I do the best I can. Do you know what I'm saying? I have to put that on there just in case, because I know I'm going to get comments saying, oh, you didn't finish the job, a-hole. You didn't do the correct thing. You put too much on there. You're gonna tell me I didn't rub my nutsack 3 times and, you know, say a quick prayer and go blah, 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 like make some kind of friggin' magical noise. But I did what I did, and I had to do what I did, and that's awesome. So we done. So moment of truth. I'm gonna start this up. Low tire pressure. Essentially, what I'm gonna do now is just drive around for a few and see if we can get this light off. It's pretty crazy. I literally drove like 2 blocks. It read it. It's all out. Everything's perfecto. yeah, so that's all we have for today. If you love calamity like this, which is the best thing that I could possibly call someone like me, I'm not a mechanic, I just do what I do. It was late in the day on a Saturday. I'm not gonna be able to find anybody to fix this on a Sunday. God forbid, you know, my wife's driving, we got the kids in the car, and anything could happen. So if I have the option of fixing it, why not? Worst case scenario, if it got completely messed up and I screwed it up really, really badly, I would be able to, you know, get it fixed and know that it was done wrong and explain to somebody that a schmuck like me tried to do it. I don't think that that was a hard job. Now, because it was in the treads, I think that it was just a simple situation. I want to go and get a better kit. I feel like that kit is just horrible. I feel like that kit wasn't the best. One of the shops that I deal with, he actually showed me a better one. So I'm gonna, if you know of a better one, I'm gonna do my research too. But if you know of a better kit, you know, please let me know down below, and I'll pick one up, because I think it's very handy to have that. And that was my first time, so please don't judge too much, but you can judge a little bit. You can let me know if I completely sucked and I did it like a pansy. That's okay. That's okay. It is what it is. I'm open to criticism. I'm not a little bitch boy. But thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are an OCDOG, I love you so much, because you make butterflies happen in my tummy. Or something like that. I'm speeding. Holy shit. Have a nice day, everybody. I'll see you guys on the next one. Woo!